everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical kinetics part 3. Okay, we already discussed part 1, part 2. Part 1, part 2, I discussed what is order, what is molecularity, how the concentration can affect the order. Okay, some basic concept I discussed the part 1, part 2. That video I will add in description box. You can watch. Okay, now going to start this video. I'm going to discuss the general equation of all order, zero order, first order, second order, third order, and all the graphical representation. Okay, this is very important. Please note. The most important for JAM exam point of view, the direct question asking what? The graphical representation in JAM exam. Okay, let me start the zero order reaction. Please note. First one, zero order reaction. Please note. First one, zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Order reaction. So no need to derive the equation. I give the final equation. That is enough to solve all the problems based on the zero reaction. Okay. Now please note. First equation, very important. That is dx by dt, change in concentration by time. This dx mean concentration, t mean time. Okay, the change in concentration exposure to time, that is rate, right? Rate, right? Therefore k into a power 0. Why I put a power 0? 0 means zero order reaction. Okay, now k is rate constant and dx by dt is rate and a is concentration of the reactant. Now second equation is very important. That is equal to 1. That is kt is equal to x. Kt is equal to x, same. X is concentration, t is time, and k is a rate constant. Now, third equation, very important, the t of equation. The t of equal to a by 2k naught. Very, very important. A by 2k naught. Why? What is not? Because zero order reaction. Okay. Now, I'm going to give the equation for what? The concentration is equal to time for reactant first. Ct is equal to C naught minus k naught t. Okay. This equation for only reactant because minus n, right? During the time, the concentration of reactant decreases. This is for reactant. What about the product? Please note, final one. Ct equal to what? C naught plus, because during time, the concentration of product increases, right? Therefore, K naught into T, this is a product, okay? This 5 important equation for what? The zero order reaction. Now, going to give the graphical representation one by one. First, I give the graph. First graph, please note, X versus T. I mean concentration versus time. Okay, take this equation. What equation? The KT is equal to X. Okay, now what is the equation? X equal to Y is equal to MX form, right? Listen, already uploaded general physical chemistry. What are the important for the graphical representation for chemistry? Okay, that video also I will add a description box. You can watch the video. That video consists of what? What are the important graphical representation in the chemistry part of? Okay, now see the graph. Very simple. This is time. This is X. What is straight line, right? Straight line graph. Slope nothing but k. What is slope? It's equal to rate constant. Okay. And second graph, please note the t versus f. T versus reverse. T versus s. T versus x. What is the graph? And y-axis t and x-axis x concentration. What is slope here? Slope is 1 by k. Okay. Listen. Kt is equal to x, right? I'm going to plot with what? The t versus x, right? Therefore, the t is equal to what? The 1 by k into x, right? Therefore, what is the slope here? This is m is slope. What is the equation? Y is equal to mx form, right? Now, y is t and mx t now. Y is t and m is x now. What is slope? 1 by t. 1 by k, okay? What is slope? The slope is equal to 1 by k. Okay. And third equation very important. That is okay, rate versus concentration. Rate versus concentration. We know very well. What is zero order reaction? The change in concentration does not what? Alter the rate of reaction. That is zero order reaction, right? That means what? The rate of reaction, the independent of the concentration. Therefore, I plot the constant graph. This is rate versus concentration. What is the graph? It should be the constant type. Okay, this graph. Now, fourth one is very important. You see, right? Fourth one is very important. The T of versus concentration. T of versus concentration. What is the equation? The T of equal to what? A by 2k naught, right? A by 2k naught. This also y is equal to mx form, right? This y and m and x. Y is equal to t of x equal to a. What is k? Nothing but what is slope? 1 by 2k naught. Yes or no? But this is t of this is a. What is slope here? Slope is equal to 1 by 2k naught. 1 by 2k naught. Okay. This is fourth graph. Okay. This graph I am going to plot versus what? The change in concentration expert to time. Okay. This graph very, very important. Please note the fifth graph, the CT is equal to what? C naught minus K naught. I am going to plot what? The concentration versus time. Here CT and the time. What is the graph? It should be decreasing graph, right? What is it? What is the intercept? The intercept is equal to C naught. What is the slope? Listen, what is the form? Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, this form the equation can, right? Then what is the slope? And slope is equal to and minus k naught. Understand? This is regarding what? The zero order reaction. Okay. Next, I'm going to discuss first order reaction. Please, very, very important. Please note the first order reaction. Second one, the first order reaction. First order reaction. Okay. What is the general equation? Please note. First equation, that is rate. Okay. Change in concentration is expert to time is equal to what? The rate constant into the power a power 1. Why I put 1? Because the first order reaction. Okay. Now second equation, very, very important. Please note the KT is equal to what? The ln, okay, A naught versus AT. What is A naught? Initial concentration. What is AT? After concentration time. Okay. After time, the concentration. Okay. And third one, very important. That is K is equal to, I go into the log form. How to convert ln to log? Multiply 2.303, right? Therefore, K is equal to the 1 by T into the 2.303 and log of and A naught by AT. What is A naught? Initial concentration. What is AT? After time. Okay, concentration after the time. Now, the fourth equation, very, very important. That is what? T of. The T of is equal to what? T of is equal to 0.693 by K. It means what? The T of the independent. Please note. This is independent of concentration. Very important. Please note concentration. And fifth equation is very, very important. Is equal to the CT is equal to C naught and e power minus KT. Okay. This 5 equations very, very important for what? The first order reaction. Now going to explain the graphic representation for first order reaction. Now take a first graph. Graph versus what? Graph versus ln CT versus time. Okay, listen. CT AT same. Okay, change in concentration respect to time. Change in concentration initial. Okay, initial concentration A naught. After time now CT. Okay, equal to AT same only. Okay. Now what is the graph? What is the equation now? The ln CT is equal to what? The ln C naught minus KT. This also is equal to mx plus c form, right? Therefore, this is ln CT versus T. Therefore, I will decreasing graph. What is intercept? Ln C naught. The ln C naught intercept. What is the slope? The slope is equal to minus K. Okay. The second graph. Now see. Second graph, the TF versus concentration. Now you know very well the first order reaction or independent concentration, right? Therefore, what? The constant graph. Therefore, here TF versus concentration. I put what? The constant graph. Very important. And third one is very, very important. That is what? The CT versus concentration. Okay, CT versus time. Okay, in this graph. See what is the equation? The CT is equal to C naught minus e power. Okay, minus e power KT. This explosion decreases, right? That's why I draw like graph this like. This is CT. This is T. Okay. This is 3 important graph for what? The first order reaction. Okay. In exam point of view, on the zero order first order is very important. And third, second, I'm going to give the general equation. So based on general equation, we can derive what? The second and third order reaction. Okay. Next slide, I'm going to very important slide. That is represent what? The general equation. Please note. Very, very important. The general equation. General equation is very important. Please note. Okay. First, I'm going to discuss order. Okay. General equation for order. What is the formula? What is general equation? Please note. Please note. The Kn. Okay. N mean order. The K mean air constant. 1 by n minus 1 and close the bracket and T and 1 by AT. Okay. AT power n minus 1 minus by A naught power n minus 1. This is general equation. What is n here? N is order of reaction. N is order of reaction. Note this equation. Okay. This equation. Okay. Applicable except first order. Okay. We not apply to first order. Other than first order, we can apply except first order. Okay. This is a general equation for what? Order. Now, what is general equation of life? Please note. Very important. Half life period. Okay. Half life time. Half life time. That is called T of. What is general equation for? This is common for all the order reaction. Okay. Note the equations. Very, very important. The T of. Please note. The T of equal to directly proportional to 1 by A naught, initial concentration, power n minus 1. Okay, this is very, very important graph. Please note. Very, very important what? Our exam point of view. Okay, using this graph, we can find out what? The T of what? D of directly proportional or indirectly proportional, square root of okay, as per two orders. Now, if we compare the two T of two reaction, two T of this is T of 1 by T of 2. What is the equation? Very important. This also equal to what? Equal to A naught, A naught, A naught 2 by A naught 1, A naught 1, and open the bracket, close the bracket, power n minus 1. Okay, using this equation, you can find out what? The order of reaction. Okay, run equation could for example. Okay, I give the example for you for this one. Now see, this is A gives B and B gives C, same reaction. Okay, this T of is given. This T of is given. Okay, concentration given. We can find out what? Using the two T of and two concentration, we can find out what? Which order kandupidichalam. Okay, this is very important for our problematic problem concept. Problem based on, okay, problem based concept. Very, very important. Okay, these are two general equations for what? The order of the reactions. Okay, now going to explain the second order reaction and third important mathematical equation and followed by what? The graphical representation. Please note. Please note. This is third one, the second order reaction. Second order reaction. Very important, please note. Second order. Okay. Now, what is the general equation? We know very well. First one, dxy, change in concentration is respect to time is equal to what? K into A power 2. Okay. Now, next equation, we apply that. What is general equation? We know the Kn, right? Kn is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into T and 1 by At n minus 1 by minus 1 by A naught n minus 1. Okay, now what is n value? N value is equal to 2. Now put the n value, get the answer for what? The second reaction. Therefore, K2, what is 1 minus 2 minus 1? 1, right? 1 by 1. Here T, here also 1 by At 2 minus 1 minus 1 by A naught 2 minus 1. Now what is the final equation? Therefore, the Kt is equal to T into K 1 by At minus 1 by A naught. Okay, this is what? The general equation for the second order kinetics. Very important, please note. Okay, what is T of equation? Simple, right? Similar way. Please note T of equation. Very important T of. The T of third equation. Okay, the T of equal to what? Equal to 1 by K2A. Okay, please. What is general equation? We know the T of 1 by A naught power n minus 1, right? We put 2 minus 1. Therefore, T of what? The T of inversely, please note, inversely proportional to okay, T of the T of inversely to what? Proportional to concentration. Okay, this question asked in exam. Because this sentence asked in exam. Okay, very, very important. Okay, now going to explain the graphical representation for what? The second order reaction. The first graph, please note. First graph, 1 by Ct versus time. Concentration versus time. What is the graph? Same. Okay, this is Ct. Okay, this is Ct. At is Ct same. C naught At same. C naught and A naught is same. Okay, therefore 1 by Ct into time. What is the equation? It should be straight line. Okay, now here 1 by C naught is the intercept. What is the slope? The slope is equal to K2. Okay, first equation. And second equation, T of versus concentration. What is the equation T of? The T of equal to what? 1 by K2A. We can write what? The T of and A is equal to 1 by K2. What is the equation? This XY. XY is equal to constant. Okay, this form of the mathematical graph can arise, right? XY is equal to constant. This form, XY. What is X here? X is A. What is Y here? Y is T of, right? Now, what is the mathematical graph? This type of graph, please know. Okay, this is what the two important graph in the second graph. What is third important graph? You can try this graph. Okay, very simple. The T of versus 1 by A. Now, what is the graph? You can try this graph. Okay, tell me in comment section. It should be straight line or exponential decreases or increases graph. Okay, you can tell in comment section this graph. This is also very important one. What JAM exam point of view. I'm going to discuss the fourth one, that is called third order kinetics. Please note. And fourth one, very important, that is third order kinetics, third order reaction, third order reaction. Same, okay, same equation you can arise, you can derive one based on the general equation. Now, first equation, please note, first one, dx by change in concentration is respect to time is equal to 1, rate constant a power cube, okay. This equation 3a gives product, we can apply for this only, okay. Similarly, this equation also what? The 2a gives product. Okay, maximum this type of question asked in exam, okay. Same reactant only. Don't worry, a plus b and 2a plus b is okay, not asking generally. Generally, this type of reaction asked. That is also very important. During the problem discussion, I will give the general equation for one. For example, look at 2a plus b. Okay, for this case, we can apply this general equation for this reaction. Okay, that's purely depend upon the type of reactions. Okay, this type of variation I will discuss in the problems in the chemical kinetics lesson. Okay, as soon as possible. Now, third equation, please note. Same, okay, apply the general equation. K3 is equal to 1 by 2 and T into 1 by AT power 2 minus 1 by A naught power 2, okay, square. This is equation, okay. How I get this equation? The Kn is equal to 1 by n minus 1 T. Generally, using general equation, I derive what? The third order right equation, okay. Now, third one, very important, T of. The T of is equal to what? Very important, 3 by 2, okay, 3 by 2 and K3A square. Very important, please know, okay. This is K3. 3 means third order, okay. Whenever I put a constant K0, K0 not 0 order, K1 not first order, K2 not second, K3 not third order. This K3 and the A square, okay. This is very, very important. Please know this equation asking directly exam one time. Please know, very, very important. Now, what will about T of what? Inverse proportional to square root of the concentration, okay. Very important. Now, what is the graphical representation? Please know, important graph for the third order reaction. Now, first graph, please know, first graph, same 1 by Ct versus time. Okay, T. What is the graph? Same. Here, 1 by Ct and time. Okay, same increasing graph. What is intercept? 1 by C naught square. What is the slope? Slope nothing but the 2 K3. Okay, the first equation. And second equation, T of equation. The T of versus concentration. What is the equation? Same, right? Here, T of and A, this type of equation. Now, that is very important. Okay, for second order reaction, third equation, I give the homework, right? You can tell the answer in comment section. This I can plot now. That what is the equation? T of versus, okay, versus 1 by A square. What is the formula T of? The T of is equal to and 3 by 2 and 1 by and K3 A square. Now put this is y, this term is x, right? Therefore, y is equal to mx form. Y is equal to mx, right? Now, what is y? T of. What is x? 1 by s. What is m now? 3 by 2 K3 is a slope. What is straight line through the origin, right? This is 1 by a square and here T of. What is the slope here? The slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to 3 by 2 K3. Okay. This is very, very important our JAM exam point of view. Using general equation, using the graphical representation, the direct question asked in exam. Okay. I hope you understand and thank you so much for watching and see you in this video as soon as possible and tada bye bye.